Welcome to NAB Show 2019. INBROADCAST is here filming the latest in technology, hardware, software, and products, driving the next generation of storytelling. From established global brands to up-and-coming innovators, this is the destination for groundbreaking tools and solutions right here in Las Vegas. Hi, I'm Ashley with INBROADCAST. Joining me is Matthew of Connect. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. So for those that don't know, briefly tell me a little bit about the company.
Of course. So we are Connect, part of the INBROADCAST group that has been around for a bit more than 50 years in the broadcast space. And on the Connect side, we do focus on software solutions for monitoring and remote control of audio and video infrastructure.
Yep, very nice. And so can you tell me what you have new here at the show?
Absolutely. So this year we actually extended the scope of our network monitoring and operation management platform. Now that includes a pretty advanced end-to-end ticket management module. Also includes a brand new set of visual diagrams that we can import from standard drawings like Visio and CAD drawings to animate and represent the status of every device in the network and the operation.
Very nice. And can you talk any bit about what we can expect to see in the future?
Absolutely, yeah. We have a lot of things planned for a short-term and long-term roadmap, of course, including the integration of a pretty advanced automation engine that will also help us to automatically action behavior on remote devices when we detect issues or patterns of issues.
And why is something like that so important?
Well, it's actually critical for many broadcasters today to anticipate on events before they turn into outages. So it's really a key aspect of what we're doing today in terms of monitoring equipment, monitoring the health of these systems, and preventing proactively issues and patterns. Yeah.
Sure. And so for people that want to know more about all of this, what's your website they can go to?
Right. Well, you can find more information on our website, www.worldcastconnect.com.
So everyone check out worldcastconnect.com. Thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you for having us.